What's good, y'all? It's the kid Timmy. It's another episode of Taste Drive Late Night Edition. Right now, I'm in the city of brotherly love. I'm at this Caribbean spot that put their own twist on a Philly cheesesteak. It's the jerk chicken cheesesteak. I'm dying to try it and hear good things about it. Let's eat. Gua gua. Got my jerk chicken Philly cheesesteak. See that goodness? Now, let's take the bite. Wow. I prefer this over the Philly cheesesteak. So much flavors. You got the Caribbean spices, that jerk, so authentic. I mean, what more can you ask for? The meat is so flavorful. The cheese give it a nice little kick. And this Caribbean flavor, man, can't get no better. That's the sandwich right there. If you love this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.